PNP-NCRPO Chief Leonardo Espina has an appeal to the police force. He wants them to regain the trust and confidence of the public. Espina was at the Manila Police District headquarters today. Again, Noel Perfecto with the details.
NCRPO Chief Leonardo Espina calls for the renewal of the image of the Manila Police District or Manila's finest operatives to restore the trust and respect of the people for their policemen. Espina made his statement when he met Manila Mayor Fredo Lim at the Manila City Hall today. Espina said it's about time to erase the negative image of the country's police force, which has been shown in the media this past few days.
Hindi ho kami maghihiwa-hiwalay ng mundo. Pati lahat ng resources namin, sama na. Iisa lang naman pakay namin dito peace and order. At yung mga taga-barangay ho kasi, yun ang nakakaalam na sitwasyon nila. Mas marunong yan sa amin. Kaya, in the future, magpapasyal po ako sa mga barangay and on the spot, at random, kakusapin ko yung PCP commander, ano ba ang crime situation dito? Ano bang peace and order situation dito? And readily, masisiguro ko yung PCP commander will be able to brief me. Kaya dun tayo sa baba. Because yung baba ho, battleground yan. And that's what really matters.
Manila Mayor Fredo Lim lauded the efforts of the new police chief of the National Capital Region to change the image of the country's police force to show to the people that the police can also be a part of the Aquino administration's Straight Path campaign.
Yung plano niya ngayon, within 30 days.
30 days.
Ihiri ko na yan. Yun ang maganda eh.
Magkapil na sila sa taas.
Kanya,
matter of right naman.
Hindi mga ganon ba, na sobra na eh. Oh. Eh, ganon pa lang ginagawa sa mga nahuhuling mga babae. Oh.
Deputy Chief Alex Gutierrez says he appreciates moves to change the image of the Manila policemen and to give quality service to the people, especially those who need police assistance in the city.
Ang gusto po mangyari po ng aming regional director na ang police ay laging nakikita ang presensya sa mga barangay na kung saan ay nandun ang ating komunidad na pinaglilingkuran upang mapangalagaan na sila ng maayos at kung kinakailangan nila ang pulis ay nandiyan kaagad.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.